Hi, this is going to be the setup for the drawing. So normally we'll open up Adobe Illustrator. You go to New File and go to Print, and we'll go with letter size. Letter size is 8.5 by 11. We'll do Portrait and just create that. Any minute now. There it is. So now we're going to create 3 layers. So the first layer is going to be your drawing layer. You're going to double click on the text and then type in drawing, hit enter. Create a new layer right here with this little square with a plus. The next layer is going to be, let's do a guide layer. And again, you just click on, to create a layer, you click on this square. To edit the text, you double click on the word layer, and we're going to do color. Now, we want the guide to be on the bottom. We want the color to be sandwiched in between the drawing. So you can drag these layers up and down. So again, we want the guide to be at the bottom, and we want the color to be sandwiched in between here. Okay. Now, you can lock the other drawings. First, we're going to select the guide. So we got to figure out the guide. Okay. If you go to the Google Classroom, to the Advanced Anime, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 options to of which guide you want to do. Now, I find the number 5 to be the easiest one, and I find 6 to be a little more difficult because you can't see the line art. We're going to create a line art with you don't even see it. If you want to challenge yourself, go ahead and use that. So you're going to click on the let's do this one. So click on the 3 dots, open a new window, and download the file. Okay. Now that you're in Adobe Illustrator, go to File, Open, and let's go to Downloads. Select the file, and we want to copy it. So we're just going to click on it, Control C to copy. I'm going to close that. And this is the document that with our layers. I'm going to paste it, Control V to paste in the guide layer. Hold the Shift and only grab the corners and, set it about, so big. Right there. Okay. Now, if we go to Properties, and if you don't find a panel, you can always find it here under Window. It's all in alphabetical order. Okay. Whether if you're missing the layers, the properties, whatever it is. You're going to scroll down on properties to opacity, set it to 50%, and let's go back to layers, lock it, and let's hide the color. Unlock the drawing layer. Let's click on the drawing layer. And actually, this is the end of the setup for this whole document, and you're going to save it to File, Save As. Let's save it to the computer, and you're going to go to your Documents folder. You're going to go to your folder, and you're going to put your last name, dash first name, dash anime, and you're going to save it with your, let me see, you can't see the save. Because it's up here. Save it. This is just asking you to be backward compatible. Okay, sure, with older software. And that's it.